this is me, your girl, and I'm looking good, a little too good for the occasion. All right. All right, why does it look so dark? But I look a little too good. Like, I look a little too good. And this, I feel like this camera ain't giving me justice. But boo boo. Boo boo boo. I look a little too good. Like, what? Alright guys, so I am ready to leave now. So I'll update you guys throughout the day of what's going on. Yep. So we are here at the dealership. So see, it's gonna cut me off.
Hold on.
Oh, fix it. I look nice though. Let me fix it.
This is crazy. How does that look? Scoot the paperwork this way.
It's not gonna show. That's why I asked you to hold it.
Okay, fine, I can hold it. So do you still want to see yourself?
You could put it down,
Okay,
and
perfect,
you can see
perfect.
it. Just make sure someone look good.
Alright.
And you can
Yeah, I
not
can
show
see.
my personal information, but you
Of
can
course
show.
not. So yeah, go ahead and sign right there. Congratulations, Miss Brittany. You just bought a 2022 Toyota Corolla. Can you finish this up real quick?
Camera focus. Okay. See y'all later.
Time to see her brand new vehicle. The 2022 Toyota Corolla. Look at that. That's all you. No cosigner, no nothing.
Look at you.
Look at you. You the one who bought it. Whoa. You wanna... There you go.
Thank you.
You get both keys. You get a charge pack too, so you get a brand new iPhone charger. Mess with that Apple CarPlay? Not a problem. You want me to stop it?
I know you guys can tell by my face. So as you guys can tell, I am home. I don't know, but I am home and I'm tired and I'm exhausted. I've been out all day. My face is oily, my head hurts. But I did a thing or two today. So yeah, that's just that. I am very much tired and exhausted. I will have other parts to this video also. You know, yeah. I will have other parts, and then I will do what I do when I do it. And I'm out of words. I am tired. I'm happy. I'm exhausted. I'm full of mixed emotion right now. I'm very much hungry though. I could tell you that for sure. So once I get everything situated, I eat some food, I drink some tea, something, I don't know, but something, I will get back with you guys. If not later today, then tomorrow. Thank you guys for your love and support, and I'm forever grateful if you guys go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment, and subscribe to the videos. And if you haven't watched my previous videos that I posted, please go ahead, and after this video is done, go ahead and please like, share, comment, and subscribe, boo-boo, because I'm coming through with the videos every week. Come in January, I will be posting twice a week, so I need y'all guys to support me throughout this journey, and I will do greatly appreciate that. I love you guys. See y'all in the next vlog. Bye.